Welcome back. My name is Patricia Regier. We're going to talk about alt text and Canva. I'm going to give you a quick pro tip that will save you time and help you make sure that your training materials, your courses, even your social media posts are more accessible and inclusive. All right, so let's take a look here. We are talking about the alt text, which is the alternate text that screen readers or anyone that is not learning visually can find out what the images or visuals are about if those descriptions help the learning experience. So you could be talking about anything that you're helping set the stage. You might be showing that you're being inclusive and diverse, or whatever the images are. I'm going to show you some great tips on how you can then pull that alt text from Canva instead of trying to describe it yourself. Now, you might want to look into, is it going to be meeting accessibility standards? That's something that you'll have to look into. But even if you have to edit what Canva can give you, it will really help save you time. So Canva has some great magic options. Now, what you have to do in any design template, right now I'm showing you the presentation mode, and any images that you pulled from Canva that you're downloading in a PNG or JPEG file that you're maybe inserting into a slide deck or into your course, you need to click on the image so that then you will see the box around it. And then this arrow is showing you 3 dots. So it will give you the option to copy that picture or get rid of the picture with the little garbage can, or beside that on the right are 3 dots. And that is what you need to click in order to find the next option. So again, you need to click the picture in order for this option to show up. Then once you click the scroll down, it will give you alternate text as an option. So then you click onto that option, alternate text, and a new box opens up. And instead of typing the alternate text yourself, you can select suggest for me. So that's what you click, and it will start thinking its magical AI option here, and then it will give you the alternate text suggestion, which can stay in your presentation here. But what I do then is I copy that, right click, highlight it, grab it, copy it, and then I paste it into where it needs to be. So this is a little trick. It can definitely save you time. And so definitely try it with the actual images or photos and create your alt text. Make sure you don't forget that step when you are providing materials and content into the world. I hope this tip was helpful for you. My name is Patricia Regier, and this is Canva Pro Tip, how you can grab your alt text and have it suggest it for you. Thanks for checking this out.